Hello everyone, I am Venkatesh and my teammates are Bhavani and Premsai. Our project is on creating a screen recorder using Python. We have done this project under the guidance of Arvind Sir, Assistant Professor of CSC and AML Department. In this video, I am going to show the execution of my project. First, we need to go to Visual Studio Code. There, we have to open the file of our project. We have done screen recorder. Select the folder. This is the code for our project. We have included the libraries like PyAuto GUI, CV2, NumPy, PyAudio, Wave, Threading, OS, FFM, PEG. PyAuto GUI is used to take screenshots. CV2 is used for organizing the video, and PyAudio is used for capturing the video, and FFMG MPG is used for combining the both audio and video files. Now let us execute the program. It starts now recording. It is going now. Let us record our screen. I am going to select some windows. Here I am scrolling down to record my screen. Our project can also capture the audio so that it is easy to access. In today life, the screen recorder is very useful for content creators and gamers. Okay, let us close the window and stop the recording. It is running. The file is successfully saved as recording with audio.mp4 file in the destination folder of our project. It is get saved into it. This is the video. Starts now recording. It is going now. Let us record our screen. I am going to select some windows. Here I am scrolling down to record my screen. This is all about our project. Thank you.